Hello, little friends. I'm Rose, the Queen of Flowers. My petals come in so many colors: red, pink, white, and even yellow. I'm often a symbol of love and beauty. My name is spelled R-O-S-E. Can you say it with me? R-O-S-E, Rose. Now you can write my name in the prettiest colors you can imagine. Hi there, I'm Tulip, and I love to brighten up gardens with my colorful petals that look like little cups. I come in nearly every color of the rainbow, and I love to dance in the spring breeze. Let's spell my name together. T-U-L-I-P, Tulip. That's right, just like two lips, but I'm much more colorful. Howdy, little sunshine seekers. I'm Sunflower, and I always turn my face to the sun to soak up all the warmth and light. I'm big, bright, and I love to stand tall. My name is as cheerful as the sunshine, S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, Sunflower. You see, I have the sun right in my name. How cool is that? Hi, I'm Lily. I'm graceful and elegant, just like a ballerina in the garden. My petals are soft and come in colors like white, pink, and orange. Some people say I smell just heavenly. Can you spell my name with me? L-I-L-Y, Lily. That's a short and sweet name, just like me. Hello, I'm Daisy. I'm a happy little flower with white petals and a sunny yellow center that loves to make people smile. I'm like a little sun in the grass. My name is spelled D-A-I-S-Y, Daisy. And did you know? My name also means day's eye because I open up in the morning when the sun rises. Greetings, young explorers. I'm Orchid, known for my beautiful and exotic flowers that come in many shapes and colors. I'm a bit mysterious, and my flowers can look like butterflies, stars, or even little faces. Let's spell my name together. O-R-C-H-I-D, Orchid. Isn't it cool how my name sounds just as special as I look? Hi, I'm Daffodil. I'm one of the first flowers to bloom in the spring, with bright yellow petals that look like little trumpets. I bring a burst of sunshine after the long winter. My name is spelled D-A-F-F-O-D-I-L, Daffodil. That's right. My name is as bright and cheerful as I am.
Hey there. I'm Peony, and I'm full of big, fluffy petals that make me look like a flower cloud. I bloom in lovely shades of pink, red, and white, and I smell so sweet. Can you help me spell my name? P-E-O-N-Y, Peony. My name is short but oh so sweet, just like the way I smell. Hello, everyone. I'm Chrysanthemum, but you can call me Mum for short. My petals can be small and delicate or big and bold, and I come in all sorts of colors. I'm a symbol of joy and long life. My name is a little long, but we can spell it together, C-H-R-Y-S-A-N-T-H-E-M-U-M, Chrysanthemum. Wow, that was a mouthful, but you did great. Hi, I'm Lavender. I'm known for my calming scent that helps people relax and feel peaceful. My flowers are tiny and purple, and I'm often used in soaps and oils. Let's spell my name, L-A-V-E-N-D-R, Lavender. I'm as